Why does your scanner show the P0716 engine code? What does it mean? P0716 is a diagnostic trouble code for input or turbine shaft speed sensor circuit range or performance. This engine code indicates that this sensor plays a crucial role in automatic transmissions by monitoring the speed of the input shaft, which helps the TCM, or PCM, manage shift timing. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty input turbine speed sensor, wiring and connector issues, transmission fluid problems, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.